Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a Subway Surfers glitch. So if you go home, go ahead and go in your Subway Surfers, go to your settings, go to general, date and time. You want to take your set automatically off. And here you can change your date, so I'm just going to put something random on. Let's see what that gives us. June 17, 2016. Then you want to go back to your Subway Surfers. And you can get so we have Marco here. So if you go back, set that back to your time, and you can see that if we go back, it wasn't Marco before. We had him, so whatever date, like if you missed out on a character because you didn't have enough, just go here, put the date back on time, and you can get any other character that you want.